Hey, what's up and welcome. It's Matthew here, the designer and developer from South Africa. Let's just talk about topics that matter. How do you grow from a junior developer to a senior developer, or at least from a wannabe to the actual god of development, if that is the case? I'm going to help you here understand everything. First of all, I'm not going to come here as a guy who has worked for the FANG, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, and all those big companies. No, I'm just coming here as a guy who just learned more about coding on YouTube. As much as I've got a diploma in information technology, software development, but it didn't help me that much to understand everything that I understand now. So now let's get into the topic. How do you become better? How do you become a senior developer? There is one thing that most beginners forget or they overlook, and that is at first you need to make in numbers what you lack in skill. This is true for everything and every industry. You need to make in numbers what you lack in skill. I created or I uploaded almost 400 videos and there was nothing happening. Obviously, let's leave alone the monetization and YouTube. This is not about that. First of all, the channel was for me to learn as well, but in trying to teach others. So what am I was doing in the first 400 videos? I was trying to make up in numbers what I lack in skill. I didn't know much about front end and back end and Prisma and React and all that jazz. I was just a designer, or maybe I was just some sort of an average guy. I didn't know a lot about things. So I had to use numbers to make up for the skill. Now that I understand a lot of things, I am working on refining myself and becoming a better developer, understanding concept like design pattern and domain driven architecture. So as you can see that at first you need to push numbers, and pushing numbers, it's simple. If you are talking about creating portfolio project, create them, at least 5 of them. Give yourself a period and create them. If you are like me, you like learning by teaching others, just keep on uploading YouTube videos. This is how you are going to transition from a junior to a senior. And believe me, in doing so, people will notice and you will land a job. As you can see, I'm not here to tell you about LinkedIn, about Stack Overflow, and all the things that you are like you don't understand. I'm not here to tell you about GitHub and join conferences and speakers conferences. We don't have those things in some of us in our countries. It's very simple. Make up in numbers what you lack in skill. Push more numbers in everything that you do. Be that guy who will do it better than the other guy. Believe me, if you do that, surely next year you will become a better developer and you will land a job. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa. See you on the next one.